Good morning, Internet. Good morning, Nigerians. So today I would like to show you how to practice online for your CDC FIB CBT exam online practice. Okay, a portal where you can practice online. So if you're hearing my voice, visit nairamen.com and use this keyword. Okay, you can use CBT exam online. Go to the search bar. If you're browsing from mobile, okay, quickly locate the search bar. Scroll down to find the search bar. You can say CBT. Just type the word CBT. Okay, this is the first one that comes. Click on it and you can read through the post. Then at the footer, okay, just this, click on it and it will take you to the portal. I will also drop the link to the portal, okay, at the comment section of this video. If you're watching from Facebook, kindly follow us to see the link. If you're watching from YouTube, kindly subscribe to us. Now, to practice is very easy. You can key in any word, any name, okay? For example, let me say cut, okay? Then you can select if it is civil defense. You can leave it by default. If it is immigration, you can select. If it is fire service, okay. If it is general board, you can select any one. So let's go with immigration. Then you click on proceed to exam. As you can see, this is the instructions. You have about 30 minutes. You can click on start exam. Now this is the desktop mode. I will still create a video for the mobile mode, okay? So you can see, you can read the questions, okay? Nigeria currency is in Naira and what? Kobo. You click next, don't go to submit. It will take you to question 2. You can read it. After reading it, you pick any of the answer. You click next. Then you read the third one, okay? Then you click next. You read the fourth one, okay? You answer any of the answer. You click next. You pick any of the answer. You click next. Pay attention. I'm just making this video and I want the video to be very short. So you should take your time to read the question and understand the question before doing what? Before answering, picking any of the answer. If you don't know any answer, you can skip. Based on this question, you can always skip. Like now, I have skipped this question. I have skipped this question. I'm now in question 9. I can move to question 50. Okay. And click. That is the final one. I can go to the previous one, which is 49. So let's assume that I'm okay with the exam. I can now click submit. Yes, submit. Now look at confirmation. You have answered only 7 questions out of 50. Are you sure you want to submit? Me, of course, this is practice. I said yes. Now take a look. It will give you both the answers and the correct ones, the ones you got correct and the ones you failed. Okay. So as you can see here, it will indicate the answers for you. So it's another way of learning. Are you getting it? It's another way of learning. So when you are done with the class, you can always come back and retake again. Yes, you can always come back to the portal and retake. As you can see, retake another. Are you getting it? So now let me leave the immigration. Let me go to defense and click here. Start over. This is the best way to practice, okay? So do this repeatedly. Do this over and over, okay? So I have also dropped a tips on how to practice the main exam, the exam portal, okay? How to practice. I have also created a video for that. If you're browsing from mobile, the way you practice on mobile phone is different from the way you practice on desktop. Likewise, the way you attend to your exams on desktop computer is completely different to how you attend to your exam on mobile. Should you want all your questions to show on mobile, kindly follow us NLSoft, be it on Facebook, be it on YouTube, or visit nairalearn.com. We have the complete past question paper and all the materials you need to excel on this exam. Contact us now to get them. Thank you and see you on the next video.